Auto liability claims. Have you ever rear-ended someone simply because you got distracted? You thought it was a minor mishap, as no visible damages on both vehicles. The other driver agreed and said compensation was not needed. Days later, you received a demand letter from the lawyer of the other driver, asking for a large sum of settlement caused by an exaggerated, distorted, invented circumstances of the accident. Not only he claims his car was severely damaged, sustained serious body injuries that impacted his livelihood, and is even suffering from PTSD. He purposely made all these false claims to scam for money. At Verity, our auto liability claims services can help you to uncover the truth. We'll verify if the accident was truly impacting his daily life, gather essential evidences, and reveal if his livelihood was truly at stake, or everything was just a fabrication. With solid evidences to support and strengthen your case in court, you can minimize financial loss and expose the fraudster to the judge. A true statement, Verity. Visit verity.com.hk for more information.